Hi everybody, this is Daryl with Mass.Page tools. I want to walk through some of the features that are coming your way in the next update that we'll be pushing probably by Friday for SiphonAI, and it also affects the form. So if you have a form, you will have a code that comes with the form that you have filled out. Okay, so for example, I'll just show you on here, this form here. If I click on edit, there will be a number in the corner that will tell you what the ID is for that to transfer to. So I have an ID over here to the side that I'm going to use for this. Okay, so if we go to Siphon and if we do a search, you get the normal results. You get the bulk, everything. You can do the same thing with the paste. We've just changed this to 3 options instead of 4, just to try to make these 3 really good. And you can paste your text in here and it'll do its thing. But the majority of what has changed is, one, you can put an RSS feed in here. Okay, what I mean by RSS feed is, let's say you go to like FeedSpot, and you're looking for information from a, let's say, plumber's website. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this one right here, and we'll just grab the link address and bring it into the tool here. Okay, and all you have to do is hit go, and it will determine that it's an RSS feed, and it'll pull the latest blog posts from that RSS feed, which is really, really great and helpful. So let's say you wanted to grab some of this content here. I'm just going to delete this out, and we're just going to put this to this content level, and we're going to go and see the works that we've done below the Siphon button. So what has happened here is this is now going to tell you what percentage done the job is. And we've added a whole bunch more buttons, and I'll explain what those are in just a few minutes. What I'm going to do is, while this is doing its thing, I'm going to go to my codes here on another tab. And this is the target form that I created that we're going to send the Siphon stuff to. So I just wanted to show you. This is not available quite yet. It'll be available, like I said, by probably Friday. But these are things sent from the form before. So I'm just going to show you that we can go ahead and send directly to the form. Okay, so there's that. And we're just going to submit. All right, so we'll go back to this page here. All right, now you have some options here. Okay, you have your content to the left that has been written by Siphon, and now each one you can do this and show the original. Okay, so you can kind of see the difference between the one that you have and what has been rewritten, and how it has been rewritten for you. Okay. So that's the one thing that you have. Okay. Now, if you wanted to do the spin text, this works like it did before. You just hit spin on each one of these. It's best to do one at a time because it has a call that it has to go, and it just works better for timing, and it doesn't error as much. So if you do the spin, and then you'll see it's all done in spin text with Word AI 5.0. And then you hit preview, and you can see here's a preview of what you've spun. So you can hit respin, and it will go ahead and change the preview above and show you how the spin text is working. Okay, so if you want to unspin it, you can do that. Okay, and you can hide that. Okay. So the other features that we have is the ability to merge all this content here into one single document. Okay, so say you had somebody that was going to edit the content for you, and you want to bring it all into one document. So all you have to do is click here. So if you wanted to remove one of these, you could do that, but just click here, and instantly you get a file here that you can send to somebody to work on. Okay. It'll also allow you to send this merge to the form. So if you click here, it'll merge all of that into one long description body, and you would then just put the code in, as I'm going to do right now, and hit send. And now it has been added as description body 23 and untitled, because we already used up on the other description bodies, so it didn't, we'll have to delete out those other ones. So now you can also do it individually. So if you want to send each one to the form, you can just click this and you just send a form, and it'll send it to the form if you just want to do that, and it'll fill in that description body for you. If you've done the spin text, it'll do that as well for you. If you want to send all of them to the form, all of these fields, you just click this, and it's done 12 through 17 onto the untitled form. Okay, so those are some of the things coming this week. We will talk a little bit more about it. If you're interested in getting Siphon added to your account, just message me inside the Facebook group, which is Mass.Page is the Facebook group. So just go to facebook.com/groups/MassPage and go ahead and message me. We approve just about everybody as long as they fill out the questionnaire. And you can join our group of very helpful people. And we will run a program every Sunday called Sunday Live, and we answer your questions, do some lessons, and bring new information to the table for you. So hopefully you've learned some things here. If you're interested in getting Siphon, just go to SiphonAI.com. That's SiphonAI.com. And if you missed the lifetime deal, we're still doing some lifetime deals. So if you contact me on the Facebook group, I can give you access if you didn't want to pay the monthly fee for it. If you have the enterprise version of Mass.Page, that you would be able to get all of these tools inside of that as well. So you would have Siphon inside of your enterprise account, and there's some very, very high limits for it. So you can do some really great stuff with it. All right, that's it for me for now. Hope you have a good one. And if you have not yet registered for the Menterprise webinar that we're doing tomorrow, just if you want to see Menterprise Publishing, which is this really amazing thing here. We've gotten over 18,000 unique views just in the last 30 days on this platform, and we've made in the last 60 days just over $1,900 in affiliate commission. So if you want to learn how we did that, we'll have a little bit of a case study that you can see how we did it, and we'll talk to the owner of Menterprise tomorrow, Paul Ankersmith, and we'll discuss a little bit about what this platform can do. It's definitely not the cheapest in the world, but I made my money back in just a very short period of time, so I like that. So and that commission is on recurring basis for a good portion of that, so a lot of that will come back the next month. All right, so that's it. If you want to join the webinar, it is go.ht/Menterprise. That is MENTERPRISE. I guess I didn't do that right. And that should take you right to the registration page if you're watching this before the webinar takes place. And then later we'll have the registration link go right to our affiliate link. So you can support the channel and support the things that we're doing with MassPage tools. All right, so looking forward to seeing you at the Menterprise MassPage webinar, and look forward to seeing you on Sunday as well, as we have another Sunday Live, and I will be there, and we will give away a domain and all that great stuff. So just a little quick update for myself, And I hope you have a great evening.